We also automated creating a business process record. So when I talked to customers and I showed them how we applied AI to automatically creating system and third-party records, they said, "This is great, we love it, but when will this be available for business process records? Because I also don't want to have to create those from scratch. That's super time consuming." And what a lot of customers were previously doing was either setting up meetings with the departments that they needed to get information from in order to create these business processes, or they would send out an email or they'd send out a business process form and try to gather all the information. It was really time consuming for not only the person in the privacy office, but also for whoever they were working with, let's say in the marketing department or the finance department, having to set aside time to make sure that they were filling this out correctly. So what we've done is we created AI business processes, which is really simple. It works similarly to ChatGPT, where you just enter a system prompt. You tell us a little bit about the business process record you're creating. So if you're creating an HR business process record for onboarding, you'll just tell it that. So you'll say, I'm creating a business process record for HR onboarding. These are the types of systems that I use. This is what I do in that process. And these are the type of people that are involved, whether it's new hires or the HR department or IT in provisioning accounts. And from that, we're able to do an analysis of your data inventory and see what systems will most likely be included in this record, what data elements, what processing purposes, what data subjects. And if we see that you have a large gap based off of what you told us and what's in your data inventory, we can recommend creating additional systems or creating additional data elements, which you can, accept our recommendation or decline it if what you have is accurate. So this has made it a lot easier for customers to quickly get through the business process record creation and get on to the next step, which is taking a look at their risk and completing the assessment. So just to summarize, we've done our best to streamline the data inventory creation process, and then that next step, which is automating the business process record setup, and then hopefully soon we'll continue to automate the entire workflow.